Who doesn't love the soft, moist, and perfect blueberry muffin? Here is the easy and simple recipe for the best blueberry muffin. For making a blueberry muffin, at first I'm gonna make buttermilk, but you guys can use store-bought buttermilk. For making buttermilk, pour 1 teaspoon lime juice gradually into 1/4 cup of milk. Stir the mixture until it gets thick texture. Your homemade buttermilk is ready within a couple of seconds. Now take 1 large egg, 1/4 cup buttermilk, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, 1/3 cup brown sugar and half cup white sugar into a mixing bowl. Make sure to bring the temperature of egg and butter at room temperature. Mix them well by using a whisk, fork or a mixer. Add 1/4 cup of sour cream or yogurt into the mixture. Stir them well until it gets a smooth texture. Add 1.5 cups all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons baking soda into the creamed mixture and mix them well until all the flour incorporated with the batter properly. Add 1 cup of fresh blueberry into the batter and sift a little flour on top of them to keep them from sinking to the base of the muffin pan. Fold the blueberries into the batter gently. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease the muffin pan with a little oil or butter. Divide the batter among the muffin pan equally. I am using a 10-ounce muffin cup to bake the blueberry muffin. You guys can use whatever available to you. You can sprinkle a little sugar on top of the muffin if you like. I'm gonna skip this part. Bake the muffins 15 to 20 minutes or until tops are no longer wet and a toothpick inserted into the middle of a muffin comes out with crumbs, not wet batter. Now your delicious muffin is ready. To store the blueberry muffin, place them in a plastic bag, seal and store at room temperature for 2 to 3 days. To freeze, use a vacuum sealed bag for longer longevity and preserving the freshness of the blueberry muffin up to 2 to 3 months. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you guys like this video, please like, share and comment it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.